city of Cavite, la Virgen Soledad de Portabaga Coronada.
Known as Reina de Cavite, the mother and guardian of the province and Luz de Filipinas or Light of the Philippines, is a symbol of faith, resilience, and cultural identity in Cavite. This miraculous image of the sorrowful Virgin Mary reflects a deep devotion that has become part of Cavite's historical and spiritual fabric. Venerated at San Roque Parish Church, the image painted on canvas and framed in silver depicts Mary alone in mourning, a rare and poignant portrayal that resonates with those who have experienced hardship and loss. According to tradition, the image miraculously appeared near Portabaga during the Spanish colonial era, becoming a symbol of divine presence and protection during times of crisis. Declared a national cultural treasure and the oldest existing Marian painting in the Philippines, it holds immense religious and cultural significance. La Virgen Soledad de Portabaga, Reina de Cavite y Luz de Filipinas.
Ipanalangin mo kami.
The image of the Virgen Soledad de Portabaga is accompanied by the devotees from the San Roque Parish, Cavite City. Maraming salamat po.
Esplenda tu nombre eterno, glorifica, Madre Inmaculada, puerta serafín, luz de Filipinas.